Hey everyone! It's been long since I shared my cleaning routine and organizing routine, so today I'm gonna do it. So let's get started. But first, I'm gonna show you how the house looks right now. Folded clothes on the dressing table. Bed is not made. Look at this. Now let's go to the another room. That's another bedroom. Again, clothes everywhere. Our dining table looks like a mess. Our living room area is still okay. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the area which is not very messy. So first I'm gonna start with dressing table, cleaning this up, living room area, organizing, and then we'll go to the bedrooms. So let's go.
I don't know about you, but I am always shocked that how quickly our house can get messy. And seemingly out of nowhere, the bathroom is always wet, clothes are everywhere, even the clean clothes, the laundry, it is everywhere. But now I finally figured out that if I would do easy and quick tidying every day, I really don't have to spend now we have come another to our first bedroom and as just cleaning the whole house. All the mess that I'm picking it up, and just by picking up all the clothes, the bed was already clean. So why can't we just keep up with this routine? Right? I guess sometimes we just, unintentionally think that maybe in the future we would have some extra time and then we are going to do all this, but I don't think that time is ever going to come. So yes, we have to make a routine. At least if we are not doing it daily, let's choose a day in a week to organize our houses, because I think when the house is organized and clean, you will feel peaceful at home. This is my experience. People go and you know why? I that prefer to stay at home. My house is the most peaceful place in the world. I feel really at peace when I'm at home. That's why I love to clean. That's why I love to keep it tidy up all the time. Most of the time. Anyway, तो सफाई भी होती रहेगी, बट बच्चे को नहलाना भी ज़रूरी था, तो अभी मैं क्या ना कि कॉम कर रही हूँ. That is actually a toughest challenge of the day. So let me know in the comments what is the toughest thing that you do in your day while you're raising your kid. It could be anything. It could be, you know, bathing them or dressing them up. For me, it's braiding her hair. She loves taking bath, but when it comes to braiding her hair or just combing her hair, she cries a lot because yes, I understand it hurts while you comb. So I make sure that while I'm combing her hair, I apply some oil. Look at her face. Now it's time She's for so happy. Her lunch. Usually she eats roti, but she also likes puri and aloo ki sabji. And yes, the curd dahi is must. Look at her dancing. Now let's go to the second bedroom, which is our master bedroom. And sometimes I really think, that because I think when the bed is made, your room is already look very well put up. But when I wake up, the first thing I do straight go to washroom and then I go and make breakfast and then I come back and do and make the beds. That's why. That's kind of first thing for me as well. But sometimes, yes, I'm not saying I always make the bed. Sometimes it already looks like the bed is already made because we sleep really well. But yes, If you really want to go ahead and have a good cleaning and organizing routine, make sure that your bed is made every day, every morning. And now it's time for putting away the laundry which has been folded but not put it back in the respective places. I guess we have our life, these days very easy. We have washing machines, we just need to put a load in the washing machine and it's done. All we need to do is dry the clothes up and fold them up. But still, why we are lazy all the time? And the last thing is our living room. And while I was cleaning and organizing, Kiara is already slept on the sofa. Anyway, so this room was not much messier. All I needed to do dusting and put everything back, and it was done. Now let me show you how the house looks.